Hello students, in the previous video I have solved some questions based on factors and multiples on prime numbers, co-primes, twin primes and prime triplet. In this video I am going to tell you a method given by a Greek mathematician. The method's name is sieve of Eratosthenes and the name of mathematician is Eratosthenes. The mathematician has given method to find out the prime numbers from 1 to 100. You can use this method. So we will proceed. So the first step is you have to put 1 in a square. Why I have kept 1 in a square? Because 1 is neither prime and nor composite number. Now what we have to do in this method? Every number which is prime, I have to encircle that number. So please tell me, 2 is a prime number or not? Yes, students, you are right. 2 is the lowest prime number. 2 is the lowest even prime number. 2 is the only even prime number. So we will circle 2. Now what we have to do is, after encircling 2, we have to cross all the numbers which are the factors of 2 or which come in the table of 2. 4 comes in the table of 2. So I will cut that. 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98, 100. So these all were divisible by 2. These were the factors of 2 and these come in the table of 2 also. When we divide the numbers by 2, they are completely divisible. The remainder is 0. So I have cut all those numbers. Now come to 3. 3 is a prime number or not? Yes, students, you all are right. 3 is a prime number, so I will encircle it. Now, after encircling 3, what I have to do is, I have to cut or cross all the factors of 3 or the numbers which come in the table of 3. So, 15 comes in the table of 3, I will cut it. 9 comes in the table of 3, I will cross. Now, 21 also comes, so I will cross it. 33 is also divisible by 3. I will cross it. Now 39 is also divisible by 3. I will cross it. 45 is also divisible by 3. I will cross it. And 57 is divisible by 3. So I will cross it. Now which number is divisible by 3? I have to check. Yes, 69 is also divisible by 3. So I will cross it. Now which number is left? 91. 91 is divisible by 7. That is also not a prime number. 93 is divisible by 3. And 99 is also divisible by 3. So I have crossed the number. Now, next number is 5. 5 is also a prime number. So I will encircle it. Now tell me which are the factors of 5 in this. I have to cross all those factors. So 25, 35, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95. These all were the factors of 5. So I have crossed them. Now, how many numbers are left? We have to check whether they are prime or not. 7 is prime, so I will encircle. 11 is prime, so I will encircle it. 13 is prime, 17 prime, 19 is prime, 23 prime. 27 is a multiple of 3, so we will cross it. 29 is prime, 31 prime, 41 is prime, 43 prime, 47 is also prime, Now in this line 67 is also prime. 77 is a factor of 11. It is divisible by 11 also, by 7 also, more than 2 factors. That is why it is not prime. So I am crossing it. Now 87. 87 is also divisible by 3. So I am crossing it. Now check 97. 97 is a prime number. Now in this line I think I have 63. 63 comes in the table of 7, 9. So I will cross it. 53 is a prime number. So I will encircle it. Now 73. 73 is also a prime number. It has only one factor, 1, and it comes in its own table, that is 73. Now I will check 83. 83 is also a prime number. So I will encircle it. 61 is also a prime number. 71 is also a prime number. 81 comes in the table of 9. It is divisible by 3 also. So I will cross. 91 also comes in the table of 13. 51 comes in the table of 13. So I will cross it. Now how many numbers are left to be crossed? 49 is divisible by 7, more than 2 factors. I will cross it. 59 is a prime number. So I will encircle it. Now 79 and 89. These two are also prime numbers. So as you can see, we have found the prime numbers from 1 to 100. 1 is neither prime nor composite. So it is in a square. Now 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89 and 97. These all are the prime numbers from 1 to 100. So by this method we have find out all the prime numbers. To make you understand this more clearly, I am going to attach the image of this method at the end of the video. You can take a screenshot because I know most of the people are not having the books. So you can see from that also, and this is how I have found all the prime numbers. On the basis of this we will solve some questions also. Please pay attention. Okay students, I am erasing it for you. Then I will start solving questions. So student, as you can see, I have written a question on the board. Make a list of 7 consecutive numbers, none of which is a prime. That means there should be 7 numbers. The numbers should be consecutive and they should not be prime. So from the table of sieve of Eratosthenes, I have already shown you that there are 7 numbers. As once you will draw that table, you will easily analyze that. It starts from 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95 and 96. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are the continuous number in the table in the sieve of Eratosthenes, which are composite numbers. None of them are prime numbers. So this is the list which you will find in the table also. To make you understand, I am going to attach the image at the end also. Now the next question which I want to solve is, what are composite numbers? Can a composite number be odd? As I told you, composite numbers are the numbers which have more than 2 factors. More than 2 factors, you all know what is composite number, so you can easily write the definition. Now the next part of the question is, can a composite number be odd? You all will tell me, can a composite number be odd? Yes students, you all are right. A composite number can be odd. It is not necessary that a composite number should be even. So please tell me the smallest odd composite number. From the list which I have explained you today, the smallest odd composite number is 9 because it has more than 2 factors, and it is just before it there is 8, 7, 6, 5. All 5 is also a prime number, 6 is even, 7 is prime, 8 is even, and 9 is the smallest odd composite number. It has more than 2 factors, 1, 3 and 9. Okay students, now I am going to solve the next question for you. Yes students, so the next question is, find out which of the following numbers are prime. There are 4 options, 87, 89, 63, 91. So please tell me which number is prime number out of these options. We will check. 87 is divisible by 3 completely. So it is not a prime number, it is a composite number. So I will cut it. Now the next number is 89. 89 is not divisible by any numbers. It has only one factor, 1, and it comes in its own table. So that it is a prime number. Now next 63 is divisible by 3 also, 7 also, 9 also. It is a composite number. Now 91 is also a composite number. It comes in the table of 7 and 13. So these were the questions which I have solved for you. That's all for today. I'm going to give you homework on the basis of this. You have to do those questions. I hope you have understood the video. Thank you, students.